Welcome to our workshop, Embodied AI and Robotics for Future Scientific Discovery at IROS25.
In the past, many scientific research fields could not benefit from AI or robots because there was a limit to what human scientists could do alone. AI robot scientists have solved this problem.
This workshop is about bridging the gap. We envision robotics scientists, systems that combine AI's reasoning with robotics' physical ability to experiment, discover, and innovate autonomously. The scientific research is at a turning point, as we see here. The challenges are clear. Research is growing more complex and also multidisciplinary, pushing beyond what traditional human lab process can handle. The advances in AI and robotics are accelerating, but as this data shows, a critical gap remains. AI excels at reasoning, and robotics are good at physical action. Yet these two worlds are still not fully integrated for autonomous scientific discovery. As this timeline illustrates, we have made progress from narrow task-specific automation towards more generalist systems.
Large-scale foundation models and agents have read millions of papers, understand text and images, write plans and code, and even draft research papers. Meanwhile, embodied AI-based robots can conduct experiment in the physical laboratory. For the first time, cognition and manipulation have matured together, making a fully autonomous, always-on AI and robot scientists technically possible. Welcome to submit your work and join the discussion.